In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you've ever wanted to make a time lapse, tighten up a slow moment, or simply create a snappier sequence, speeding up footage is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust playback speed with confidence. First, make sure your video is in your project and visible in the timeline. The timeline is where you arrange and edit your clips, so go ahead and drag your video from the project panel down into the timeline if it isn't there already. Placing it on the timeline makes the next steps possible because you'll be applying the change to the actual clip instance you're editing. Now find the clip you want to speed up and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Speed Duration. This opens a dialog box that controls how fast or slow your clip plays. Think of this as the control center for timing. You'll see a field labeled Speed with a percentage. At 100%, your video plays at its original speed. Increasing that percentage makes it play faster, decreasing it makes it slower. To speed things up, raise the speed value. For example, typing 200% makes the clip play twice as fast, cutting its duration in half. If you need a subtle change, try something like 125% for a slight boost. If you're going for a dramatic fast forward effect, you can push it higher. Just keep in mind that as the speed goes up, the clip becomes shorter on the timeline. This is normal and expected because you're fitting the same content into less time. When you're happy with the number, click OK. Premiere will apply the change immediately. Now press play to preview the result in the program monitor. You should see your footage moving faster, and if the clip has audio, you'll hear that it's sped up as well. This is useful for stylized effects, but it can also make voices sound higher and quicker. So keep an ear on whether that suits your project. If the clip feels too fast or not fast enough, don't worry. You can always right-click the clip again, go back into speed duration, and fine-tune the percentage. Edits like this are non-destructive, which means you can adjust them as many times as you need. A quick tip: watch your timeline timing after the change, especially if your clip needs to hit a specific beat or transition, since the new speed affects where those moments land.